Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
All right, y'all. So, hey, y'all. I'm at work, and it's just about to be dark. So I said before it get dark, I'm gonna try to put my own light bulb in. So let's try to put this light bulb in. And y'all, welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, hey y'all, hey. So anyway, I'm about to change my light bulb in my Nissan truck. So let's try to do it. So let me get my glasses on, cause you know your girl is blind and can't see. How about these reading glasses from Temu? Get you some. Well, so yeah, anyway, we finna try to get this light bulb in, y'all. Sorry about the glare in the background. Let's see, can we get this light bulb in this thing without any help? Cause you know your girl, I'm a jack of all trades. Don't play with me. So let's try to get this light bulb in, y'all. Keep watching. So y'all can see, as y'all can see, this is my dim. I got two on bright, but one on dim is gone. So we're gonna try to get this light in. Let me pop my pop the hood first. I don't know what this whining noise is on. Any mechanic out there can tell me what this whining noise is, I would really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get our light going. We're gonna get this bulb in, y'all. So yeah, y'all, right here, I'm just really just feeling around, trying to see. I don't know how I missed the little, that's it right there though. It's like the little silver thing right there on the right side. Yeah, I'm just trying to feel around, like I couldn't feel it. And my little beady eyes, I couldn't see down in there. So yeah, I'm just feeling around right now, just trying to see where that little hole is and stuff like that. But I found it eventually, and there it is. I had to get to it. My hand's so fat. So I had to get to it. Right here I'm just trying to unscrew, but it really just clips in the bottom. So okay, y'all, I had to pause out for a minute. So it says turn my vehicle off for my own safety. So we're gonna turn the vehicle off, because I don't want to get electrocuted. We're gonna figure this thing out. We don't know how long it's gonna take us, so figure this thing out. But I'm finna go in here like this. I think what I saw was, I'm gonna ask y'all. Okay, so that's for the bright lights. I think that's for the bright lights right there. That one is for the bright lights. Excuse my heavy breathing, I'm fat, y'all. And this one is for the dim. So he said go under there on that video. So I'm gonna shout him out too when I find that video again. Okay, we're gonna hold that right there. We're gonna let the phone hold it. Little part right there. So we're gonna, ooh, I'm too cute for this now. Get my hands and stuff dirty. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna go under there. He said go. I'm trying to let y'all see. Go under there. He said pop it, click it. He said pop, hold on. I know he said. I don't know why I'm trying to work with my left hand knowing that I'm right-handed. Knowing I'm both-handed. If y'all ever seen the Benja Brown, I gotta tell y'all about this. Maybe I'm at work working, you hear me? At work working. We're gonna get this thing. I have to do stuff by myself because I'm single. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna pop it. Y'all pop it from the top or the bottom. Where do I pop it from? Okay, we connected. We disconnected. That's what he did. He disconnected it. It's a little clicker thing under there. Okay. Bump that. We gotta use the left hand. My hand too fat for this. Hold on now, phone now. You is doing too much. You hear me? You better do right. This is the one. But we gotta click it. Do we click it? I'm about to tear something up, y'all. We flip. Okay, so do we flick it? There it is. We pull it back and pull it out. Okay, got that part. He said, look at it, make sure it's not corroded. It don't look corroded. So, and we turn it, we twist it out, right? I can do this. I can do this. We supposed to twist, well, did he say twist it out? Yeah, he said twist it out. Dang, how long it jump in there? You know, I ain't twist. Let me try my, I'm just getting dirty. Let me try my other. Hold on, y'all. I can't see. I'm gonna be looking like a mechanic in a minute. Okay, this the brake. We trying to get this one out. Oh, got it. Okay. Twist it out. He said twist it and pull it out. Boom. Okay. There go our. So that's the. So there is my blowed bulb. We got it out. So now I'm gonna get my new bulb and put it in. So let's see. Well, let me crank it up and make sure that's the right bulb. So let me crank it up first, and I'm gonna make sure that's the right bulb. Your girl was right. Your girl was right. So let me get my new bulb out. I done misplaced my new bulb, y'all. Hold on. We're gonna take the new bulb out. Y'all, I done lost my new bulb. Don't do this to me. Y'all, I'm looking all over the car for my bulb. Look, there you go, right there. So I got the Sylvania brand. It's the basic. It says it shine like that yellow, but I hope that ain't true. If it do, I'm gonna have to take it back, or we're gonna go get another. So let's see what it shine like. Let's see what it shine like. Okay, so it's already open. I had cracked it open. I'm finna hurry up, get back in my car, cause that coyote be out here. I gotta hurry this thing up. So I just broke my stand, y'all. So I'm trying to see y'all. We trying to work one hand. I found my son gloves, y'all. So we work with one hand. So here's our new bulb. This is our new bulb. That is the old burnt out bulb. As you can see, it's burnt out. So we're gonna face this back in the down position. Oh, let me show y'all. Or what? Oh, I was trying to show y'all what boat or what, whatever voltage. Anyway, so it's nice and clean. We're gonna get it in. We're gonna pull this flap back up. We're gonna go. Y'all, excuse all this. Let me get this old bulb out the way. You see your little tail over there. Okay, so we finna try to work it out, y'all. While I'm holding this and I'm looking in here, I got to find my hole. You know. Okay, there it is back there. We're trying to find that hole. We got the hole. There it is. And we're gonna stick that back in there. He said stick it in there and turn it back to the position. Y'all, I hope this works. He said stick it back in there. Turn it back to the position. The opposite direction. Okay, that's wrong. I don't want to blow it, y'all. Hold on. Oh, hell, I got it in the wrong thing. Wait a minute. That ain't the right hole, this. Hold on, y'all. Let me look. Wait a minute. We're going to have to edit a lot of here. Okay. Let's try one more time, y'all. This thing here in the way, honey. I can't see for one. Okay, we're gonna try to get in here. The best we know how. Okay, we're gonna stick that back in there. Trying to get in there, y'all. I know y'all can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to get it in here so y'all can see. I'm sticking it back in here. If I can ever get it in the hole. Lord Jesus, help me. Do what you gotta do when you're a single woman out here in these streets. When you're a single woman out here in these streets, you gotta make it do what it do. Oh God, where is it? Ouch! God, hit my head. Hold on. What am I aiming at, Lord? Okay, we're gonna go back. Boy, I thought there was a spot off and drop this hood and run. Okay, there go the hole right there. Okay, we got it in. Now how did I? Okay, twist it back in there. Okay, I got it in. Y'all see? Finally. I finally got it in. There it is. That's the new bulb right there in there. Screwed in. Now we gotta put this. We gotta connect this. Hold on. We gotta connect. My hand too fat for this though. We gotta connect this little yellow wire back up under there. Let me find the back of that little jank. I gotta find. Okay, there go the back. So we gotta put that up under there and connect it back. So pop that back on there. There we go. Like that. And it's connected back. So now, let's see. Let's see if your girl. I'm gonna put my little flap back down right there. Okay, so we had one bright and one dim. So let's see if we got 2 brights and 2 dims. Let me crank up. I just broke my stand, y'all, so I can't hold y'all back up on the stand no more. So let's see. If I did this right. Don't play with me if I did this right. So let's see. Let's cut them on. Oh, okay. That's the dim. That's dim. Okay. Look like I got 2. It looked like I got 2. Let's see. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I did it. I did it. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I did it, y'all. Look at that. We got 1 dim. It shine just like that. Okay. That's the right light bulb. Long my fall light was still working out good, so yeah, y'all. We got 2 dims. And let me cut my bright on. Make sure I still got 2 bright. Make sure I ain't disconnect the wrong thing. Okay. Cut the bright on. See, we got 2 brights. Bam, we got 2 brights. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, bro. Alright, we got that zoom. Now I'm gonna let this hood down. Mechanics, if y'all know what that whining noise is on my truck, please let me know. Oh, let me get this. So yeah. Sylvania, whatever their name is. They is bomb. So let me let my hood down. Alright. We got 2 headlights, y'all. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with me. Whew. So as y'all can see, your girl is all kind of handy. You know what I'm saying? I does it all. You need your car fixed, come to me. You need your hair did, come to me. Whatever you need, you know. You need some paint in your house, come to me. Your girl is an all-around player, you know what I mean? But nah, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see that it's so easy to change your own stuff on your vehicle. And if your girl did it, you can do it too. And I got my gloves on. Period. Because period. Who? We run the world. You know, girls run the world. I got to get back to work because I'm out here not doing my job. So thank y'all for watching so much. If y'all like this video, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and get your girl to 3K. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. Me and you, we right here, but we almost there. We at 2K, you know, we almost at 3K, you know what I'm saying? Get your girl there, get your girl. Thank y'all for subscribing to the channel. To my new subscribers, I love y'all so much. My old subscribers, my day ones, thank y'all so much. If y'all enjoyed this video, again, like I said, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Bye-bye, I love you guys.